So we think these pictures are by far the best ones on the site, and they were all full, not surprisingly, because you're looking out to just trees and there's not many people walking past you all the time. So these are 109, is that one? Yeah, this is 108, if you see. And you've got your white peg sort of on the edge, so it's dead easy to park up. And that's your... So it's 105 to 110. And the shower blocks are just there, so it's not far from everything. I think it's the best of every scenario for us anyway. Yeah, oh, that's the other thing, yeah, they're really flat. So a lot of the other pictures, they're not flat at all. So your caravan's like this or like that. This time we'll definitely avoid these pictures because they weren't very nice at all. I'll show you why. It's just super awkward, the position and the layout of it. So our white peg, so this is 73, that's 72, so 71 up there. So the white pegs here and here, so you've got that space either side, and there's only 6 of them on the site, which are these here. So I would definitely avoid them, and really uneven. Kids playground area there, and these are pitches 79, 80, just in case you want to either avoid or aim for them. Pitch 91, this is quite a nice little corner. You've got just 3 little pitches there, and here you've got another dog walk. So they're supposed to be on leaves. This is nice. This is Newgate, wasn't it last time? You can walk into Grassington that way, it's really nice. We did that last time, but this time it was too warm for the dogs, so we couldn't get out. But this is near pitch 91.
This is the site's own dog walk, which is really actually quite nice. I think it's the nicest one I've seen on a camp so far. It's quite narrow, but it's quite long. It's the perfect size, really, just for them to have that quick blast when they've got that bit of energy. And it's kept really clean as well. It's well maintained. It's so annoying when you go to a site and they can't actually go off lead, but there's a dog walk. I just find that really quite pointless. You can walk them anywhere on a lead, can't you?
There are loads of little rabbits running around, and if you've got a smaller dog, they can easily get under it. There are some bits where it's a little bit more of a gap. So just bear that in mind if you've got a little terrier or something with a strong prey drive. So there is a little dog wash and bike area here, but it is cold water. And that again is right near the walk of picture 91.
So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.